Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you Vaseline is more powerful and more effective than Botox in removing wrinkles and fine lines and eliminates deep wrinkles and fine lines, guys. It is super effective and with super effective remedy. The first thing we need to prepare the remedy is Vaseline. And we need 1 teaspoon. Then we will need coconut oil. Add 2 teaspoons. Then we'll need to add aloe vera gel. And we need to add 2 teaspoons and mix the ingredients very well. Once the ingredients got mixed together very well, we'll need to add a pinch of turmeric powder. And turmeric powder is powerful antioxidant. It helps tremendously in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Now our magical remedy is ready, guys, and we need to apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust and leave it overnight to get the best results ever. It eliminates the deep wrinkle and the fine lines in the face and neck and hands. It's super effective, my friends, and I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, share it with family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.